warming up my daily cup of bone broth. My latest obsession. Probably not the smartest to film, but we're gonna go for it. Oh, whoops. I just finished working out and just showered. I'm in the coziest robe ever. This is from Barefoot Dreams. So cozy. It's such a nice day out today, so we're gonna go to the beach. I feel like it's been raining so much lately, so I'm really happy it's finally a nice day out. It's kind of the first official day of summer for me. But yeah, let's go figure out what we're gonna wear today and also pack a beach bag. I am obsessed with these. They're so good. And the little zipper in front. I've been living in these. They're the best. Maybe I'll do those. And then a little bikini underneath. And then maybe I'll do this little bucket hat. How cute is this? Little Jacquemus bucket hat. Shout out Pia. This one's super cute. This company is actually one of my favorite. It's called Heavy Manners. How cute. I love the pattern. And then little triangle top. Maybe I'll do this one. We'll see. Let's go get dressed. We have all the goods. Wow.
You got your sandwich.
Look at that sandwich. I just got some goodies at Erewhon, so we're gonna do a haul. First thing I got is a million chopsticks. Erewhon actually has the best chopsticks ever. Next thing I got was my combo box. I got orange chicken, which is also the best there. I got string beans and then also some white rice. Next thing I got is bone broth. I actually got 2 today to stock up. Next thing I got is some Smooth Moves tea. Girls, you get it. This is actually one of my recent obsessions. These Ultima, what are they? Electrolyte mixes. You put them in your water and they're seriously so good. They actually had these in my office last week and the lemonade flavor is the best. But I had a headache when I was at work and I had one of these and it literally went away. So these are magic. This is a little random, but I got the Jolie shower filter. I have the Jolie shower head. I just showed you guys in my movement vlog actually. I don't need to change it yet, but I figured I would just have it on deck when I do. So I saw it and grabbed it. I saved the best for last. I got the Cosmic Bliss ice cream, and this is the strawberry glaze flavor, and it's Hailey Bieber's at Erewhon. This is essentially, I guess, her ice cream, but in a pint, so you could take it at home. I obviously had to get this, but I really think it's just so cool and also so genius that they did this. I wonder if it'll taste the same. That's my Erewhon haul. Hope you enjoyed. Also, fun fact, whenever it gets really sunny out, you can see all my freckles. There's like a million of them. Freckle galore. Also, while we're here, phone cases from Wildflower. Okay, that's my rant. It matches. That wasn't planned. We're gonna try the Hailey Bieber strawberry glaze.
Wow, it really matches. That's so cute.
The Cosmic
Ooh.
Bliss. So excited. I hope it tastes the same.
Is that what it's called? The Hailey Bieber Cosmic
Oh my
Strawberry
God.
Glaze?
Wait, there's a thing on the side.
Is it from
She
Erewhon,
wrote
or where'd you get it
on
from?
She signed it.
We're just little
Yeah,
fangirls
Erewhon.
over here.
Erewhon.
Ooh, we have to add the chocolate chips to it.
No, really?
And the pita forge. Okay, let's try
Wait,
it.
don't you agree that we have to have it Hailey's way?
Here. Okay, taste test.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's really good. It doesn't taste the same. I feel like this tastes more tart, but I think it's because they usually do like a jelly or like the strawberry glaze inside the ice cream.
Yeah, the syrup.
So I feel like that makes it sweeter.
Me like going back in like 5 times.
I think I would like just the pink part. Good, right?
Wait,
throwing
I don't
away.
think I like this.
Yeah,
I like it.
Oh,
I like it, but I don't think it's like the same
happy
as that.
you guys like it.
I don't think it's like the Hailey Bieber.
I don't think
smoothie
it's the-
at all. It's
it's
different.
supposed to be the ice cream though. It's for sure supposed to be the ice cream.
As I like.
What's our rating? We have to give it 1
I
to
think
10.
it's like. Oh, it's good. It's just like strawberry.
It's like an 8.
I think
7.5, 8. That's
I
good.
think I'm gonna go with 7.
I don't think it's too sweet. I like that. That's tart.
I think like 7.5. I honestly probably wouldn't like crave it.
I don't think I would get it again.
Yeah.
7.8 for me.
I would so much rather get the smoothie any day.
What do we think?
Good amount of chicken.
I'm on the hunt for some vintage sunglasses. We're going to Rough Vintage. The phone did not eat first, but we made a pit stop at Escuela. The best taco ever. Shrimp taco and lettuce wrap. So yum. First thing are these really cute jeans / sweatpants. They're from Rag & Bone, and I feel like I've seen everyone talk about these. It's kind of crazy how much they look like jeans. Next thing is this very basic white tank top from Reformation. While I was there, I just thought I would pick it up because I've been trying to find more basics. This is my favorite thing I got today. I've been looking for a pair of vintage sunglasses like these for a really long time. They're vintage Prada, and I'm obsessed. Okay, extremely quick OOTD. It's a new day. I just finished getting ready. It's 6 o'clock. It's Saturday, and I'm last minute going to a comedy show, so I thought I'd vlog it. Here's the OOTD, really quick before I leave. Jeans I thrifted forever ago. Belt is, I want to say, from Anthro or Banana Republic. Leather jacket is from Lioness. I'm wearing a black sweater underneath, and I think this is from Vince. And then boots are from Reformation. And that's the outfit. Oh, and then these sunglasses are from Rough Vintage. I just got these yesterday. Super cute. And that's the fit. So let's go, and I'll see you guys there.
I think I'm gonna be in your vlog.
You're gonna be in the vlog.
It's with a V.
Vlog. We're out here at Shane
Gillis,
Shane
Netflix
Gilmore.
special.
Shane Gillis Netflix special. About to crack some laughs. You know, I'll be up there.
He's actually
performing for the
opening.
first time.
We're ready to laugh.
I'm funnier than you, Shane Gillis.
It sounds barbaric. It's just what people did.
Farmer's Market. Looks so good. Okay, I'm hopping on here to make a little outro for you guys. I just finished editing this video and I look crazy right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's gonna be a lot of fun stuff in the next vlog. My best friend has her TV show premiere and I'm really, really proud of her. So I'm gonna vlog it so we can look back on it in 20 years from now and look at how cool our lives were. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Talk about these and they're supposed to look exactly like jeans. Like, really? Uh-oh, am I in his way?